Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make burgers with frozen patties. You might think you need to thaw frozen burger patties first, but that's actually not necessary. Cooking them directly from frozen is perfectly fine and often recommended for convenience. The most important thing is to ensure your burgers reach an internal temperature of 160 degrees Fahrenheit for food safety. Let's get cooking. There are several great ways to cook frozen burger patties. Pan frying on the stovetop is quick and gives you a nice, crispy crust. If you prefer a smoky flavor and those classic grill marks, grilling is an excellent choice. For a more hands-off approach and even cooking, baking your patties in the oven works wonderfully. Each method offers a slightly different result, so choose your favorite. Don't forget to season your frozen patties. A good sprinkle of salt, pepper, and your favorite burger seasoning before they hit the heat makes a big difference. For that perfect melty finish, add a slice of cheese during the last minute or two of cooking. While your burgers are cooking, get your fresh toppings ready, like crisp lettuce, juicy tomatoes, and thinly sliced onions. These fresh additions elevate any burger. To complete your perfect burger, don't forget to toast your buns. A lightly toasted bun adds a fantastic texture and prevents it from getting soggy. Once your patties are cooked and cheese is melted, assemble your burgers with all your favorite toppings and serve them immediately for the best experience. For more great cooking tips and to find other amazing deals, make sure to check out the description below. Enjoy your homemade frozen patty burgers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.